Hi friend, today we discuss gamma function and beta functions. Gamma function and beta function are used to solve difficult integrations. Main use of gamma function and beta function are to solve difficult integrations. Okay, now let's we see the gamma function. Gamma function, it is also called as Euler integral of second kind. It is also called as second kind. Okay, now gamma function defined by here 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to n into dx is equal to gamma of n plus 1. Then how to simplify this gamma of n plus 1? Here use n factorial if n is positive integer, and otherwise use n into gamma of n. Okay, second way, it is also written as 0 to infinity e raised to minus x into x raised to n minus 1 into dx is equal to here gamma of n. How to simplify this gamma of n? That is equals to n minus 1 factorial if n is positive integer, and if otherwise then use n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. Okay, now some result of gamma function. First, gamma of 1 is equal to 1, gamma of half is equal to root of pi, gamma of minus half is equal to minus 2 into root pi. Similarly, gamma of 0 and n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 3 into 2 into 1, because here n factorial, here in definition here n factorial, therefore here n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1, n minus 2 into up to 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, for example, here suppose here 4 factorial, then simplify 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, like that. Here 5 factorial, that is equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and suppose here gamma of 3 by 2. How to simplify gamma of 3 by 2? Here gamma of 3 by 2, here use formula gamma of n, that is n minus 1 factorial if n is positive integer, otherwise means here fraction, means here then use n minus 1 gamma of n minus 1, means here like that. Here 3 by 2, here 3 by 2 means here n minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2, means here 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2. Okay, that is equals to here 1 by 2 as it is, then gamma of 1 by 2, here gamma of 1 by 2 is nothing but root pi, means here into root pi. Okay, 3 by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into root pi. Second note, that is equals to here integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus kx into x raised to n into dx is equal to here gamma of n plus 1 divided by k raised to n plus 1, because here e raised to minus kx, therefore here use k raised to n plus 1. Okay, or second way, it can be written as 0 to infinity e raised to minus kx x raised to n minus 1 into dx, that is equals to gamma of n divided by k raised to n, because here x raised to n minus 1, then use here gamma of n divided by k raised to n. Here x raised to n, therefore here use gamma of n plus 1 divided by k raised to n plus 1. Okay, then third note, that is here 0 to infinity e raised to minus y raised to 1 by 2 into dy is equal to n into gamma of n, and that is gamma of n plus 1. Next, fourth note, if any number lies between 0 to 1, means here 0 is less than p is less than 1, then gamma of p into gamma of 1 minus p is equal to pi upon sine of p pi. Okay, means simplification of this term, that is equals to pi upon sine of p pi. Okay, type first integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus a x raised to m into x raised to n into dx. Okay, now this integration first of all convert into the integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus t raised to k into dt form. Okay, how to convert this integration into this type? Here use substitution, that is a x raised to m, a x raised to m is equal to t. Here use substitution ax raised to m is equal to t. Okay, now let's see the example. Example number 1. Here evaluate 0 to infinity x raised to 9 e raised to minus 2x square into dx. Okay, now this is given integration. Okay, let given integration that is equals to I, means I is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2x square x raised to 9 into dx. Now this is equation number 1. First of all, we convert this integration into this type, means 0 to e raised to 0 to infinity e raised to minus t raised to k into dt. Okay, then how to convert this integration? Here use substitution, that is here 2x square is equal to t. Okay, here use 2x square is equal to t. Okay, from this here find the derivative, means here differentiate this equation. Okay, means here derivative of x square, that is 2x into 2, that is 4x, and derivative of x dx, means here is equal to derivative of t, that is dt. Then find the value of x into dx, that is equals to dt upon 4. Now take this 4 right hand side, means here dt upon 4. Okay, from this equation here find the value of x square. How to find out x square? Now take this to right hand side, means here x square is equal to t upon, okay, means here after that here integration with respect to x, therefore x is equal to 0 and x is equal to infinity. There are two limits here, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to infinity. Okay, now change this limit into t. Here x is equal to 0, now here x is equal to 0, x is equal to infinity, now here x is equal to infinity. If x is equal to 0, then find the value of t. If x is equal to infinity, then find the value of t. Suppose here x is equal to 0. Now put this value in equation this. Okay, means here x is equal to 0, here 0 into 2, 0, means here t is equal to 0. Now therefore if x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0. Similarly, if x is equal to infinity, now put here x is equal to infinity, then t is equal to infinity, means here t is equal to infinity, means here x from 0 to infinity, then t also 0 to infinity. From equation 1, here I is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2x square. Now here x raised to 9. Now split this x raised to 9. Here x raised to 9, that is equals to x square raised to 4 into x, that is 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, that is 9. Okay, now here x raised to 9 is nothing but x square raised to 4 into x. Now here put the value x raised to 9, that is x square into raised to 4 into x into dx. Okay, now here from this here put the value of 2x square is equal to t, x into dx is equal to dt upon 4, and limit t from 0 to infinity. Here e raised to minus t. Okay, now here 2x square is equal to t, here x square is equal to t upon 2, here t upon 2, here raised to 4, x into dx, here x into dx, that is dt upon 4, here dt upon 4. Okay, after that simplify this. Here t raised to 4, 2 raised to 4. Okay, means here 2 raised to 4 constant term, here 1 upon 2 raised to 4, 1 upon 4, take outside the integration, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 4 into 4. Integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus t into t raised to 4 into t raised to 4 into dt. Okay, now this is definition of gamma function. Okay, we know that 0 to infinity e raised to minus t raised to n into dt, that is equals to gamma of n plus 1 or n factorial. Okay, now here t raised to 4, gamma of 4 plus 1 is nothing but 4 factorial. Then 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and 16 into 4 as it is. If we simplify this, we get 3 upon 8, means here given integration, that is 0 to infinity x raised to 9 e raised to minus 2x square into dx is equal to 3 upon 8, which is required result.